gave you. What in the world were you trying to do? Singing your heart out to some little girl. Do you think she's stupid? Do you think Karen's daughter is dumb? You're not some little boy. Keep your damn mouth shut.
Hi, you're in 7419? That's what I rented. So did I. The twins and I will find somewhere else. This is just, I don't mind sharing.
The Ryan competition's the only one I've ever entered. And this year's my last chance to beat this guy.
Am I so shocking? Yes. No, it's okay. I mean, we just met.
I don't need to change. I'm fine the way I am.
Who told you that?
Everyone is different. Difference isn't a bad thing.
It's not normal. Do you think it's normal, Jack?
Okay. That is not chocolate.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Neil.
You know my name?
Of course.
Who are you?
I'm Social Box.